Hello, Bachu. Let us look into the question. The question is that we have to match the following columns, and this is column 1 and column 2. So there are two columns and कुछ specific terms दिए हैं और हमको उनके function से उनको match करना है. So the key concept that we would be discussing is the types of RNA. Let us look into it. Whenever we talk about the types of RNA, so there are several kinds of RNA, but the main kind of RNA are three in number, which is tRNA, which stands for transfer RNA, mRNA, which stands for messenger RNA, and the last one is rRNA, which stands for the ribosomal RNA. So they are named after the functions they perform. They are the three kind of RNA. Now, keeping these kind of RNAs in mind, we will be trying to solve this question. Let us look into it. First of all, we'll be talking about mRNA since we all are very much familiar about the mRNA. So we'll be checking for mRNA. mRNA is transfer of amino acid from cytoplasm to ribosome, nucleolar organizing region, transfer of genetic information. So basically, whenever we talk about mRNA, in mRNA, the protein is coded in the form of different codons and further it is translated and a protein forms. That means we can say for mRNA that it helps in transfer of this genetic material in the form of codon, genetic codon. Moving further, we'll be talking about rRNA since we are very much familiar about rRNA too. When we talk about rRNA, what happens is that it is basically present primarily in nucleolar organizing region. Ribosomal RNA is the only kind of RNA that is present in the nucleolar region. Rest mRNA and tRNA, they are primarily present in the nucleus and then they traverse to the cytoplasm. Next, we will be talking about tRNA and peptidyl transferase. When we talk about peptidyl transferase, in the case of peptidyl transferase, what happens? Suppose this is a larger subunit and this is a smaller subunit, and they have site APE, which is APE. Now what happens that these sites or this region, there is a mRNA associated. Now suppose one amino acid is present at the P site. When it moves for further process at A site, the another amino acid is added to this site by the help of this peptidyl transferase. It helps in the transfer of amino acid and help in the it facilitates the linking of amino acid. That is what means that peptidyl transferase का function है to link amino acid in this chain polypeptide. Now it will be adding more and more amino acid, due to which it will be forming a polypeptide chain, thereby forming a protein. This is how a protein formation takes place. So peptidyl transferase is responsible for linking of amino acid and tRNA is responsible for transfer of amino acid from cytoplasm to the ribosome. Now, from the cytoplasm, suppose the amino acids are present in the cytoplasm. This is the ribosome, right? And this is the cytoplasm. Here are certain amino acids synthesized or coded. Now what happens is that they bring these tRNA, suppose this is the tRNA, this brings the amino acid and they add it up in this region. Thereby it is formed. The protein is formed. So the option that shows the coherence with the matched columns is A. So we can say that option A is correct. Hope you all understood. All the best.